Hey everybody, Justin Seener here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Shopify SEO. And in fact, I'm going to teach you how to take your Shopify SEO to the next level. Let's jump right into it. And obviously, search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, is incredibly powerful when you do it the right way. And this is exactly how you do it the right way when it comes to e-commerce stores. It's an incredibly valuable asset. It's basically just like any other marketing medium. Let's say you're making a lot of money from Facebook ads, or you're making a lot of money from TikTok or YouTube or email marketing, right? All these are different marketing channels, and you want to think of SEO in the exact same way. But the real cool part about SEO, obviously, it's free in terms of getting organic search results from, let's say, Google, people searching, clicking on results, going to your site. You're not going to be paying for that. Obviously, you want to build up your SEO to get that reward. And the real cool part about SEO traffic is that these are very targeted buyers. There's a lot of intent. When people are searching for something on Google, they're going to typically have a much higher conversion rate than buying from other media or marketing channels. So really important to focus on SEO. And a real popular strategy right now is to write SEO optimized blog posts and social posts to steadily rise in the search engines and take advantage of that amazing free, targeted, high converting traffic. But when you want to implement SEO in your Shopify store, you're definitely going to run into some pain points because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app when you want to actually focus on writing these SEO optimized blog posts. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a programmer or a developer to use this. But most importantly, the app must allow for real SEO growth through smart AI keyword research and AI content creation, right? You don't want to just create random blog posts with terms that aren't going to lead to any type of SEO movement or benefit. You want to actually have real great researched keywords and content created, all done by AI, that is actually going to move the needle and get you fast SEO results. And that's why you're going to use Speedy SEO marketing. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. I'm going to be implementing this on my domain, and we'll go over the shoulder and you'll see exactly how powerful this is, and you'll see the results that we can get with this type of SEO strategy. It's really groundbreaking, and I'm going to bring over the app right now. This is Speedy SEO marketing. You'll be able to get a 7-day free trial, and you can follow along with this video. We'll get everything set up. But it's incredibly powerful in terms of SEO. It's going to actually find categories to write that are going to legitimately drive traffic, not just things that look good or kind of sound good for your brand, but things that are based on true Google insights that can generate significant traffic to your store through SEO. And again, high intent, high conversion rate when people come from these type of searches. And I'm going to show you the back end, but basically it's going to create and not only find categories, but then create the content for those categories with SEO optimized blog posts. You can connect your socials as well to have everything kind of automated inside of this app. It's going to save you hours and hours of marketing hustle with these optimized blog posts, optimized social posts. And it's all about targeted SEO optimized content, not just random keywords, but keywords that are driving traffic, that are already connected to your store, that give you the best chance to rank highly. And this app's going to write blogs and social media posts for you. We'll go over the shoulder. You'll see exactly how easy this is, but I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. All you need to do is press install to jump right in. But we'll log into my account and I'll show you exactly how to use Speedy SEO. Once you press the install button, you'll be brought over here into the permissions page. Just simply click install app in the top right corner. And this is going to allow your Shopify store and Speedy SEO to be talking back and forth with each other, no code involved. And that's going to have your whole installation set up right here. We're now going to be brought into our account dashboard. And this is going to be where we actually begin to set up our account. So you'll enter in your country, your language, and of course the URL of the domain that you want to be optimizing here. And then you press submit. Now Speedy SEO is going to analyze your website. It's going to start taking in automatically some information about the different pages, the different items, the different sections of your website, and start to kind of quantify that to see how they can best help in terms of moving forward. So we'll let this analyzation run. And just like that, Speedy has all of these different topic recommendations that you'll be able to one-click write for. And I'll show you that. But I want to show you all these different types of categories and recommendations. It's incredibly powerful. And this is really how Speedy SEO works so well. It finds content that is going to have a great connection to your brand, to your store, in different categories. We have customer persona, and you see the different types of articles that we can build, and you see it's pulling out information automatically from my site. It sees it's about print on demand, it sees it's about mentoring and online business and e-commerce, right? These are things that it found automatically when it went through and analyzed my site. Now it's figuring out what type of topics can be written for. And you'll see, of course, the topic over here with some of the tags below it. You see over here difficulty in terms of how hard it is to rank. And obviously 1 to 100 or 0 to 100, lower KD or lower difficulty is easier to rank. So we see the different styles here, green being lower, going to be a little bit easy for us to rank on these terms. You see the volume over here. This is how much search volume we could anticipate to see on those type of keywords. We have some other items over here for edit topic, delete topic, but what we really want to focus on is right, and we'll go into here in a second. But these are just some of the customer personas. You see strategies for improving e-commerce skills. This would be a great blog post for my store to have, or I'm sorry, for my site to have. Any of these really. And you see over here in mission, kind of the same idea, just a little bit different type of category. So we have benefits of one-on-one e-com mentorship. We have mastering Facebook ads and e-com success, right? Mission-based, kind of a longer story here. We have product-based as well, talking about e-commerce training, e-commerce mentoring, right? These are things that, again, Speedy was able to pull out of my website because this is what I talk about. It finds it automatically, and also we're going to be able to write. You see the difficulty scores over here in the 70s and 80s. You see some big search volume over here for sure. So a lot of opportunity here. Another thing that I really like here is trending. And this is cool, a really cool way to kind of get your content integrated with trending topics. And Google has a real affinity towards ranking higher when you're talking about things that are trending. It's really all about being timely. It's about kind of talking about things that are getting a lot of searches and getting your name out there in those popular searches. Google will reward you with that and allow you to rank highly. So it's really important to use these trending topics, and you see how AI is going to try to integrate them with your specific topics. And over here, persona marketing is something you see over here, persona 600 or 60,200 increase in keyword volume over the past 24 hours, something hot, something trending. We're going to try to get our stuff integrated with that. And AI is going to do a really good job in terms of that digital footprint, right? That's 130% increase in search volume over the past 24 hours. Speedy will quickly and perfectly make an optimized blog post for that content. So we can go through really any of these, and they're all going to have the same kind of capability for you to come over here. Let's go to the digital footprint one and click write. And this is where we really have the AI come into play, and we're going to create the actual blog post. We're going to create social posts as well. And we have the ability, you see over here, to select our tone and to generate the actual content. So we'll go through the tone over here. You know, we'll do insightful or informational. I think insightful is good for my brand, and you can choose what kind of tone you want over there. We could add in additional information. We could add in additional links if we want them to be in there. And then literally we just simply click generate blog. It's incredibly powerful. We'll be able to preview, and in this case, create an impactful digital footprint, how to stand out in the e-commerce world, right? We're going to create an article through AI with this. You see it starting over here. Okay, so the AI finished writing this article, and we can scroll through, taking a look at all the different sections. We could edit as we see fit. We could even add things like images or links. We could delete sections, we could have individual sections rewritten, or we could have the entire blog post rewritten over here. But I went through this, looks and reads really well. So we're going to save this draft, and we'll be able to actually one-click publish this depending on where we've made integration. So you might have a WordPress blog where, of course, you have your Shopify store over here. We could also post on socials as well. As we come over and click into here, we're going to do the same thing and generate a post over here. And you'll see how this works pretty similarly to blog posts, and it's going to work the same way for each of these different social media networks. So we've got the nice post over here for Facebook, got nice little emojis on here as well to really stick out. We could add an image over here, and we can kind of go through and search for different images here. Select that. Okay, and then we can come over here and publish over here into Facebook. But before we're able to one-click publish, and I'll just save this for now, we'll come back over here and we'll go into our integrations. And of course we have our Shopify integrated, but we want to integrate our social media and our WordPress as well. So you can connect with WordPress, depending if you have .org or .com, you connect with Instagram, with Twitter, of course with Facebook. And it's really one-click integration over here. It's going to bring you back into Facebook. You'll be able to go through those prompts and connect there. Since you have everything, or once you have everything connected, you'll be able to actually go ahead and post this blog right over here. So we'll come back over here into it. We could publish, one click on Shopify. We can publish, one click on any of the socials that we've connected. Again, we can edit anything that we want. We have full control. And this is a really incredibly powerful blog article. Reads very well, like a human wrote it, of course, but it's highly optimized. You see down here, highly optimized for lots of different keywords that we're driving and keywords that already have connection to our domain. So we have a really good chance of ranking highly with them. So really powerful. We could do this with any of these different categories, and we could even add topics as well, which is really cool. Add topics based on keywords. We could really get very detailed. We're going to see full analytics in here. We're going to want to connect our Google Search Console. All you need to do is click connect now. It's going to bring you over into integration, so you connect that. If you don't have a Google Search Console yet, you definitely want to have that free account. Really helps with SEO. Again, back over here to your integrations. Something that's really cool over here, you definitely want to take a look at this. Leveraging top performing keywords of your competitors. So maybe you have other competitors. I'm just going to put in Shopify.com over here. But you'd put in your competing stores. You'd be able to start seeing different keywords and information about your competitors. Really, really cool way to do keyword research, even do product research to see what's going on and what's working with your competitors. Highly recommend you jump into adding your competitors, even if it's just a small handful of them over here, so you can start tracking them. With the competitors added, you'll now see the competitors tab here in the category section. And just like any other one, you'll be able to go ahead and write that blog post. Totally optimized, you see over here, based on some of the recommendations that in this case were for Shopify, because that was one of the competitors. So put in the competitors, you'll see the competitors tab here, and you'll get even more content that you'll be able to write with AI. You have all your other settings inside here. You can manage your plan right inside of subscription as well. But you're going to be spending most of your time in the dashboard, creating new ideas, writing them in terms of having the AI write them, and then one-click publishing them either to Shopify or to WordPress or to social media. Speedy SEO does it all for you. So that was Speedy SEO marketing. Incredibly powerful, also incredibly powerful, easy to use, I should say. You see just how easy it was to get everything set up and get the content that you need that, like I said, is actually going to move the needle. That's actually going to be significant when it comes to driving traffic that's going to convert, that's actually going to move SEO, and you're going to climb those search engine results. And again, I've got this implemented on my own domain. We'll see exactly how powerful it's going to work in a follow-up video. But right now, all you need to do, again, press that install button, get Speedy SEO marketing installed on your store. I hope this helps you climb the SEO rankings, and I'll talk to you soon.